At the heart of our vision lies the belief that we should go beyond simply telling the time. We aim to build our own clock. Join us as we explore the key characteristics that makes a business truly extraordinary. Together, we will find the fundamental principles that drive success, reveal the secrets behind sustainable growth, competitive advantages, and exceptional management teams. We will provide in-depth analysis of the specific companies, discuss various investment strategies, and share case studies to bring these concepts to life. But our mission extends beyond just finding these gems. We recognize that financial freedom is the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Along the way, we will dive into the significance of financial independence and share practical strategies to achieve it. From wealth creation, budgeting, and saving, to investing in different asset classes and diversifying passive income streams. Hi and welcome. My name is Mohsen and I congratulate you on embarking on this remarkable journey of becoming a sloth investor, an approach to investing that focuses on building long-term wealth with patience and wisdom. Together, we will sharpen our investment judgment, employing rational thinking and strategic decision-making. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about creating a brighter financial future. Share your investment experiences, ask questions, and suggest topics you would like us to cover. Together, we will master the art of identifying wonderful businesses and seize the right opportunities at the right time. To stay updated with our latest content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and hit the bell button to get notification and never miss any videos. Let's begin this incredible journey together and unlock the secret to a prosperous future. Hope to see you here every day.